insert a board. And up here on the upper left, you see the add board icon. So click that. And this is probably the most complicated thing in SketchList in terms of ideas. And so I'm going to make the left front leg like that. And for a material, let's see, I'm going to select the material. Okay. And by clicking that text there, select material, that opens the select material window. Now I'm going to use solid lumber for my legs. It sorts by the size. And I'm just going to pick this white oak material one by one for our legs. If I apply it, it gets inserted into our materials list for this particular project. The width is 1.5. The height, I'm going to leave, for now, I'm going to leave the height at 27 until we talk about how we're going to attach it. And then the depth is 1.5. Right. Now, this is what's assigned one of these 3 dimensions to be the thickness of the leg. And that's going to match the thickness of the material. It can't be more than the thickness of the material. So I'm just going to, since they're the same size, I'm arbitrarily going to call that the thickness. And the height is going to be the grain direction, which is here. Okay. So the thickness is running side to side, like on a horizontal or, well, in that vertical way. And the grain direction is going to run up and down. I assume that leg would probably be inset by some amount, 2 from the left and 2 from the front. Click Add Board, and there's my first leg.